Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on your Bank of Scotland account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bankofscotland.co.uk and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Bank of Scotland. Click on the login button at the top right corner and now you will be taken into the login portal. Go ahead and type in your username that you have used while signing up for your account within the username box and then type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the continue button and you will be logged into your account, from which you can click on credit cards and you will see the cancel button. If you don't find the cancel option within your credit card, find the contact us button within the help and support menu and you will see the numbers that you can use in order to get in touch with the support team. Just call either one of these numbers and then let the support team know that you wish to cancel your credit card. You will then be provided the steps that you can follow in order to cancel your card right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel your credit card on Bank of Scotland. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.